In the busiest cafeteria, institution, and restaurant kitchens, pots and pans go through intense punishment on a daily basis. After the last meal has been served, these kitchens rely on Green Emerald Premium Dishwash Detergent to get their pots and pans clean and sparkling. The toughest, baked-on greases and soils are no match for the powerful detergent system and proprietary wetting agents. The super-concentrated, viscous formula produces a high stable foam that is tough on grease, but gentle to workers' hands with a pleasant citrus scent. And the rinse additives ensure dynamic, spot-free drying.